Hi there, I'm Paul Long, and thank you for your interest in the Ultimate GCSE Computer Science resources. I'm going to take you through the installation process. First thing that you need to do is copy and paste the OneDrive link that you'll have received into your browser. Then, depending on the browser that you're using, you'll see something that looks a little bit like this, and you'll see the different exam board folders. Now, the easiest thing to do is just download the whole lot. You can actually select each of the individual folders if you want to, if bandwidth is an issue, but I'm just going to download the whole lot, and I'm going to click on download. And what's going to happen, and again it depends on your browser, but I'm going to get up here a zip file that appears, and obviously that's going to take a little while, so I'm just going to pause the video while that happens. Okay, so once that's downloaded, you'll now see that you can open the zip file directly from here. I could just click on that zip file, or you can go to your download file folder where you'll find the zip file there. So I'm going to go into this zip file, and you can see the files that are in there, and you'll see the full structure, file structure that is of what's inside. So you can see on the left hand side here the full file structure. Now what I've done is I've set up myself a staff destination over here, which is where the staff files will go, and I've set up a student destination over here, which is where the student files will go. So it's simply a case now, if you're going to be copying to your staff destination, or if you want to let your students have the teacher pack and all the answers, then you just copy everything across except for the exam boards that you don't need. So I'm going to assume I'm doing this for Edexcel, so I'm going to take out AQA and OCR from the equation, and I'm now going to drag across and copy all of those folders into my staff destination. Now that's obviously going to take a little while, so whilst that's doing that, we'll also have a look at what we're going to do with the student destination. So this time the difference is that instead of copying everything, we take out the teacher pack as well as the exam boards that we don't need. So I'm going to take out the teacher pack, I'm going to take OCR, and I'm going to take out AQA. And then what I'm going to do now is copy all of that into my student destination, so that that's ready for students to use. So we'll just do that, and we'll leave that to copy, and I'll come back to you as soon as it's completed. There we go, there goes the copy. We'll just watch it start. There we go. I'm going to pause my video now so that copy can complete. So that's the copying completed. There's one last thing to do on the staff side of things, and that's in the teacher pack. So if you go into the teacher pack here, you'll see again that there are some folders that are specifically for all the different exam boards. So what I'm going to do, again, assuming that we're doing this for Edexcel, I'm just going to take out AQA and OCR from here, so we haven't got to worry about them. And I'll go back now, and you can see now we've actually completed the installation. If students now want to install this, all they've got to do is take all the files from the student destination, and that might be a public shared area, or you might have put it onto OneDrive or Google Drive or something, or SharePoint, and you just copy all of those files, paste them onto USB memory stick, or download them. What is important though is that you keep the file structure as it is. Once you start messing with file structure, the hyperlinks between each of the files stop working, and when you follow through the instructions to see how to use this resource, you'll see that it's really important that the hyperlinks work. So the next video that I will show you will take you through the different folder structure for each of the student and staff resources, and then also there's an instructions document that shows you how to use it. That's all for now.